How to use Hubstaff. Hubstaff time tracking tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can get started with improving your team's productivity and managing time using Hubstaff. Now, Hubstaff is an online tool that can help you in automating your time tracking processes, workflow management, as well as productivity metrics. Now, to get started, simply head on over to hubstaff.com and then click on free 14-day trial. Once you do that, you are going to enter your first name, last name, and then you're going to enter your work email. And then you're going to create a suitable password for your account, agree to their terms, privacy policy, and then click on create my account. Now, once you click on create my account, you will receive a verification email. So to verify that, just open up your mailbox and then click on confirm account to confirm your account on HubSpot. And once we've done that, we can proceed with our organization. So firstly, we are going to click on create organization to start building our first organization. Let's say it is called Lilies, and I can also enter a website. I can add my team members via email address or send them an invitation link. Then click on Get Started at the bottom, and from here, you're going to choose the right plan for you. Now, you can get a 14-day free trial, which includes add-ons like insights, tasks, unlimited screenshots, as well as payments, payroll, and much more. You will see this is on annual billing. However, if you go for quarterly billing, you get 1 month free. And if you go for monthly billing, you are going to be paying $7 on their starter plan, whereas you would be paying $4.99 on their annual billing, as well as $6.42 on quarterly billing. Now, if we compare the features, the starter plan includes things such as time tracking, timesheets, activity levels, and much more. Then their Grow version has one integration, idle timeouts, project budgets, work breaks, and expenses. Their team version, which is one of their most popular versions and highly recommended by me, includes things such as scheduling and attendance, client budgets, timesheet approvals, daily and weekly limits, as well as support with Hubstaff. Then they also have an enterprise version at $25 per member per month. Now we're going to start our 14-day free trial with the free trial version of Hubstaff. So we're just going to proceed, and then I'm going to click on Go to Dashboard. And just like that, you will be led to your Hubstaff dashboard. On the left, you will be able to see a timesheet section. So a timesheet section allows you to add time or add a shift. So let's say that you have a project that you're working on. So you will see that you can firstly select a project, and then once you go into that project, you can select how much time you spent working on that project. So for that, we're going to go into project management on the left panel. And under projects, we're going to click on add project to add our first project. Let's say that this is going to be our lip oil ad campaign, lip oil ad camp, and this is going to be billable. The time for this is going to be billable hours, and I can add clients as well. After that, we can add members, so managers, users, and viewers for this particular project. All the people that are working in this project should be added as either users, or people that are managers should be added as managers. After that, you can select a type. So if there is a total cost or total hours that this is going to be based on, you can add a bill rate or pay rate. So let's say that there's going to be a total cost for this project, which cannot exceed $10,000. And I want to be notified when 80% of the budget is spent. After that, we can add a reset and a start date as well. Now, I don't want to include non-billable time, and I'm just going to select a billing rate. So after that, we have our team section, and you can create a particular team, and you can select that team over here. This makes it easier for you to frequently access teams that are working together. So I can create a team for my marketing people, a team for my web developers, and I don't have to manually add them every time. I can just select their team, and they will be added to my new project. Click on save over here to add that new project, and you can click on the campaign over here to add more info. Now, on the left, you have different sections which can help you in doing a lot more than just time tracking. This includes things like a to-do list, which can help you in just managing your tasks as well as clients. You also have calendar features, reporting features, and people and teams. You also have financials to create payments, manage past payments, create invoices, and expenses. Now, to actually track your time with Hubstaff, go into the timesheets section, and then you can go into view and edit. Now over here, you will see different types of section, and there are no projects that you have permission to add time to. Currently, as you guys can see, because we have not added ourselves into the project, it is not going to allow me to do so. So I'm going to edit that. I will add myself. And then after that, if I go back into my timesheets, I would be able to click on add time. And I will add time for myself. This is for the lip oil ad campaign. You can select a particular to-do list that you are completing. Let's say I worked from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. like this. And then this is going to be billable hours. Why are you adding this time entry right now? So if you forgot to start or stop your timer, if you used the wrong task or project, if you were AFK on the call, or if there are other reasons why you directly did not turn on the timer, instead are adding your hours manually. Click on over here, so I forgot to start/save my timer. And just like that, my time entry will be added. This will also show me the duration and the billable time. And after that, when you take a look at your billable hours and the project budgets, you will be able to see how much of your budget has already been spent. So what would be my daily salary for this budget? I can go on ahead and click on no pay rate/no bill rate. And then I can enter, let's say I am supposed to be paid $10 an hour, and the pay rate and the amount used to bill clients for Lily Davis's work. So let's say that I bill my clients $11 and I pay Lily Davis $10. Ideally, these amounts should be the same, but it is definitely going to vary if your company is a third-party company. So after that, we're going to add their pay rate or bill rate. Then after that, you will see 1% of my budget. So I've spent $99 off of my budget for this particular project. And you will see that this is just going to help you in keeping track of all of your projects in time. Now, not only can you create these timesheets, but the easier and recommended way is to just click on this timer on the top and then turn on the timer. You can select the project and a to-do list. You can add what you're doing as you go as well. So let's say I'm creating social media content, and then I can select a assignee, which is myself, and then I can just turn on my timer, and when I'm finished with the task, I can turn it off, and these would be added as my billable work hours. This is especially helpful with remote workers or teams that are large and are not going to be working together all the time. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Hubstaff. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.